Once you fill out your profile and you start creating some gigs, I want to skip slightly ahead and show you how to make your profile look great. Obviously, you'll have some gigs, but I want to focus on the left side here. Notice how I have an average response time of 1 hour. How do I achieve that? Do I not sleep at night? Well, actually, I achieve that because I have the Fiverr app. When you get their Fiverr app, no matter where you are, when you get messages from potential buyers, you can answer immediately. In this calculation of average response time, they only calculate your first response. So if you're busy, you can just say, I got your message, I'll get back to you when I'm home. But even more importantly, you should answer and start engaging potential clients if you want to make that sale right away. Start talking to the clients about what they need and explaining how you can deliver what they need, because that not only increases your average response time, which increases the chances of next potential buyers being more attracted to your listing because it looks like you're an active seller, but it also increases the chance that this potential buyer who's contacting you is actually going to buy. And so this is one of the great ways to get more sales quickly and level up more quickly, which is going to actually make your profile look that much better, because you'll have this little graphic here like level 1, level 2, which is also going to increase your sales, and you'll have that nice snowball effect. And that's actually all done with the Fiverr app. It's available on Android for free, on iOS for free. It's easy to get, so it's no problem. And also you want to make sure that you fill out your skills and education completely, because when people browse your profile, they'll look through here. They will also look at your gigs. And for your gigs, make sure you have your videos created. Even if you're not great at creating videos, at least try, because according to Fiverr, having a video increases the chance of making the sale. And also I want to quickly touch on having many gigs, because even though I only have 3 gigs now, it's because I'm just very busy and I paused a bunch of them. But what I'll show you is my paused gigs and how similar they are. This is my actual account dashboard, and you'll see under gigs, and you'll see that I have 3 active and 16 paused. I just had to pause them because I just got too busy. But what you'll notice is when I say pause and I click on them, they're all the same. Look, the first one reads like provide Twitter marketing coaching. Okay. Second one is be your Udemy coach. Okay. The third one is coach you on local business marketing, and so on and so on. So it's basically the same gig, me coaching people, except using different keywords and different topics that people would search and browse and find me. So even if you think you don't have that many services to sell, you can actually position your main service in a number of ways so that it can get discovered more. But most importantly, I wanted to talk to you about average response time and how that helps you boost sales immediately. And if you're not sure how to get the Fiverr app, I literally searched for download Fiverr app. And if you're on Android, you click this one, play.google.com. On Apple, you click that one. They're the same. It's free. You just click it. Great. Get the Fiverr app installed, and you're going to log in with your account, and boom, you're ready to use it. And then literally you can live that great lifestyle of wherever you are, you're living your life, you're having work-life balance, and you're making sales because you're just doing whatever you want to do. Want to hang out with friends? Okay, just on the side, you answer potential clients, close a sale, move on with your day, have a great time, and do the work on your own time whenever you get home. So it's complete work-life balance, and actually saves you a lot of time that you don't have to spend at the computer. I actually ran my Fiverr like that for years, and I was able to use the time when I was at the computer way more productively, not selling, not messaging back and forth, but actually doing work.